and today we're going to talk about photosynthesis in our cell and molecular biology section. Photosynthesis is the process that converts light energy into chemical energy to fuel the activity of living organisms. Here's our lesson overview for the video. First, we're going to talk about photosynthesis. Then we're going to talk about the non-cyclic and cyclic photophosphorylation and Calvin cycle. Then we're going to talk about alternative photosynthetic pathways. So first, let's give an overview. Photosynthesis is a process by which carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight combine to produce sugar, or food for the plant. This also outputs oxygen, which helps to sustain all life on Earth. Photosynthesis is carried out in chloroplasts, and these are the organelles in the cell that contain chlorophyll. Here's a structure of a chloroplast. You can see that chloroplast has an envelope, an outer and an inner membrane, and also you can see an example of a thylakoid. This is where photosynthesis is going to take place. Photosynthesis consists of the light-dependent reaction and the Calvin cycle. So we're going to have the input of water